Guys, you're at Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm going to show you what's going in the shop today. So one of the big things in the shop, every shop I've ever worked in, there's always like buzz cars going around. And there's like, hey, what's going on? Everybody's like, there's a big buzz about a car. And right now, the big buzz is the new ZO6. Guess we just got one. I'm going to show it to you. We're going to go around it a little bit. I've been personally waiting on this car to get here. Look at this. Let me move this back here. Boom, ZO6. Ring. You know I have one. I love these cars. It's super fun. I'm hyped about it. The guy's trusting us to do some crazy custom graphics. We're going to do some, I think we're going to do some like graphics down here. We're going to add it to the back. It looks pretty cool. We have a bit of a mock-up we're working on right now. We're going to finalize it. So I don't want to say too much until we get it finalized. This is kind of like a custom order. All these cars are custom order right now most of the time. From what I understand, they're pretty hard to get. If you know how to get one, please comment in the link. Let's see it. You know what I mean? Everybody's talking about them. A custom red. Look at this. This is like bringing back the red, man. All red interior. Red like suede or something. Like super dope. You know, and then he matched the motor inside. Come on. We got to reach over this. I think this spoiler's a $6,000 carbon fiber spoiler. That's an add-on. $6,000. One of my first trucks was $6,000. Check that out. That's hot. Tell me that's not hot. Oh my God. Of course, I got the carbon fiber accents in there, but this custom red, what did we say that was? How much? A few $100, $100, $500, $600, something like that. You know what I mean? Just to throw that on there. It's pretty cool. It's not. I love it when people trust us with these cars. This is like how this goes down typically is something. Sometimes they're in town, sometimes they're out of town. I'm like having a conference call with a guy that's out of state. He's like a cattle rancher. He's like, hey, my car's getting shipped there. This is what I want. Are you the guy to do it? And they're filling you up the whole time. They're testing you on everything you know about the products, what you're doing, and you can just, everything is super important. Of course, the guy's like, hey, you got the job. You're going to do it. Bring it to Show Me Tint. So we're doing it. That's happening right now. I think we went over the brakes. The brakes were what, $8,500 or something like that? Something like that. Big custom brakes. This car is super cool. I love it. You know what we got to do though? We got to start it up real quick. Let's do it. I just want you to hear the new ZO6. This is what everybody's going to be after, I think, for a while. Come on. Oh my God. It's got 34 miles. So they drove it from the dealership to here, dropped it off. They always get like an escort in. So we're going to take really good care of this car. We're going to hook him up. We're going to give him a lot of stuff and a lot of quality work. I love showing off our work. He actually has, from what I understand, part of his business is in the area, so he does come here often. So maybe we'll get him to the shop, just check out the work. We're gonna get a lot of things done in paint protection. We're gonna get this covered. I've already checked. Our patterns are up to date. So when their new cars come out, sometimes it's hard to keep the pattern software up with how the cars are being released. So we're up to date on everything. So I can't wait to get some patterns on here and show you. Oh, the super aggressive front bumper. I love this. Look at that. Look at these. Look at those. It's taking all the air in right there. I bet this thing does rip. Man, it's cool. I guess they can lower the front, raise it up. Man, I'll take one. I definitely would take one. They're really not that expensive. You know what I mean? I mean, they are, but they're not, you know what I mean? In comparison to what you're getting. It's got the carbon fiber roof, you know, which is super nice. Gotta like that. That's an extra add-on, you know. So it's cool. There's the only thing there's a ZO7 package you can put on this thing. I think we might be doing a few of those too. Yeah, there's not a lot of those ZO7 packages. I know that for sure. This is a super cool car. We're excited to work on it. It's taking a lot of the swag away from the 23 G-Wagon that we've got up front. No big deal, you know what I mean? Just a regular tint shop, doing nothing but paint protection, vehicle wrapping. So we're excited to kind of like get started on it. It just got dropped off like a couple minutes ago. We get it inside, we get it protected, make sure nothing happens, and then we're gonna get started. We're gonna call the customer, confirm what they want, and we're gonna get to work. We're gonna show you what we do with it. We're gonna show you how we customize it. So that's the best part, is that once you have something like this, you can do whatever you want with it. We're gonna show you the whole process. We're gonna show you the end result, and then you're gonna be on the journey with us. You gotta like, subscribe, check it out, and you're gonna see this ZO6 even a little cooler than it started, which is already pretty cool, you know? And we're gonna protect it. That's gonna be the fun part. So we're excited to get started, so make sure you check it out. Guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.